Just got this Fender Bassman in this morning for repair. Complaint is it was taken to another shop to be repaired and they modified it into a Marshall. Here's the filter cap board. You see we have kind of a mix of brands. A no-name Chinese type, the ICs that are known for leakage, but actually some nice CDEs. I plan to standardize all these with FNTs. And if you look over here, that's alarming. There's no tube in that socket. Let's take a look underneath. Here's the bottom side. You can see there's a lot of hocus pocus going on this eyelet board. All of the preamp caps are missing, and this tube socket is not even wired anymore. Bummer. So you can see these crazy capacitors that were added, a dual pot for the controls, a couple of Mausers. But if you pan up here, the old original CTSs survived on the first channel. So once again, guys, don't do this to your classic Fender amplifier. This is a blackface Bassman, highly collectible. Not now. My plan is to gut out all the mods and return this amp to the print. Thank God nobody bored holes in it. Everything is there, it just needs to be put back.